Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how you can whiten your teeth at home in just 3 minutes. This home remedy is easy to make and easy to use and has no side effects. This home remedy is made up of only 3 ingredients and will give you 100% effective results in just 3 minutes. So to prepare this home remedy, you firstly have to take half tablespoon baking soda in a clean bowl. And please remember that you have to use baking soda and not baking powder for this remedy. And now you have to add unflavored toothpaste in it. And for this remedy, you can use toothpaste of any brand, but make sure that it's unflavored. And after adding it, you have to mix both these ingredients really well to make a paste. Baking soda, which is also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a mild abrasive which helps to remove the stains from the surface of your teeth and makes them more whiter and shinier than before. And now to make this paste more smooth and for the extra whitening effect, we are gonna use few drops of lemon juice in it and again mix everything really well to make a smooth paste. Lemon is loaded with citric acid which removes the yellow layer from your teeth and gives you more whiter and shinier teeth. This remedy is best for teeth whitening as it whitens your teeth in just 2 or 3 minutes. And it has all teeth whitening agents which polishes and whitens your teeth within no time. Now after mixing them really well, your teeth whitening paste is ready and it will look like this. Now you just have to scoop this mixture up with your toothbrush and start brushing your teeth. And do not brush your teeth sideways as this can be abrasive. You just have to gently brush it up using up and down and circular motions, and after that rinse your mouth. And please remember that excessive use of baking soda is harmful, and for that reason you should not use this paste more than 2 times a week. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.